That's a great step-by-step breakdown for creating a Loki-style timeline slider effect in CapCut. Here's a simplified and refined version for clarity. Step 1. Create the scrolling timeline. Text 1. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Add a black background from the library. 2. Go to Text, tap Add Text, type the year's timeline, e.g. 1900, 1950, 2000. 3. Change the font style, optional. Increase the text size so the first year is centered. 4. Add a keyframe at the start of the clip. 5. Move to the end of the clip, drag the text to show the last year, CapCut auto adds a keyframe. 6. Open graphs, choose ease. Out 3 or another smooth effect. 7. Extend the text clip to match the black background length. Export the video. Step 2. Add motion blur for a smooth effect 1. Start a new project. Add a black background. 2. Import the timeline text video as an overlay. 3. Open effects, go to video effects, find motion blur, apply it. 4. Change the effect application to overlay track. Tap adjust. Modify horizontal and intensity as needed. 5. Add keyframes. Start and end. Set horizontal and intensity to 0. Middle. Increase intensity for smooth transition. Step 3. Add a mask for a cinematic look 1. Add another black background as an overlay. 2. Open mask. Choose rectangle. Tap invert. 3. Adjust the size and feather to create a sleek fade effect. Step 4. Add sound effects for a futuristic feel 1. Open audio, tap Sound FX, search for App Scroll. 2. Add and sync it with the timeline animation for a seamless effect. Final touch and export. Adjust durations, effects, and smoothness as needed. Preview everything and export the final video. This method will replicate the Loki-style TVA timeline slider effect with smooth animation and futuristic aesthetics. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.